To remove SIM card from POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to grab our device and look on the bottom side of it, usually the place where you charge it. Then grab your SIM ejection tool. It's this small pointing thing that you should be able to find inside the box. Now put it like this inside the slot and push on the ejection tool until the tray is removed. Now you can grab it with your fingernails and remove it. After that, all you have to do is let me put the phone on the side. Look on the bottom side. Now you can take your SIM ejection tool and push it out. If you have two SIM cards, then it may be more tricky to remove them, but usually all you have to do is just try to pinch it until it leaves the slot. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.